Right, this is the first for me. We are doing a review on a music receiver. Yes, music. This is the BluDento or Dento music receiver, and it works by using Bluetooth technology, and it has 5.0. I believe it says 5.0 on the back somewhere. Yeah, 5.0, and it uses a couple of options. You can use a jack plug, coax lead, or optical. We're not going to be using the optical. So first things first, have a quick look around the box so we can see exactly what we're getting for our money. And at the time of making this video, I have no idea how much it is. I'm guessing it's around the £80, $80 mark, because I did find it somewhere for about $80. So it'll be around that mark, okay? And also I will stick links in the video description in case you want to go and check it out. I will stick links into the Amazon website and also to their website. Right, got it? Right, so with that, let's get on with it. So features: Bluetooth low energy connection, high fidelity, I mean that's what you're paying for, isn't it? High fidelity BT with aptX, HD and DAC superior CD sound quality. Remember, it is for audio, not video. Low latency fast streaming supports all Bluetooth enabled devices, and we will be trying it out, don't worry about that. Connect to any music system with digital and analog input. Well, hopefully we can do that. And desktop version, plug and play. No batteries, no software to install. Auto connection or auto reconnection supported. So I'm not going to read any more out. Let's get her open. I've already cut her open. So we have the actual unit itself. I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll get everything out first, all right, and then we can go through all the features, all the bits. So that is everything in the box. Let's go through the connectivity first. So we have optical connection, which should in theory be superior to any other connection. It should be in theory. We're not going to actually be using that one today. We have the power or the power cable, which is USB to mini USB for connectivity and giving it power. That is all that does. And we have coax connection, which is what I'll probably be using actually. So we have a red and a white ones for left and right speakers, and also I will stick up the measurements of all the cables, or approximate measurements in case you need to know. And then we have a female connectivity to a jack plug connectivity. So if you need to use a jack plug, you can. Just plug them in there. Job done. Voila. Yeah. So that is the cables out of the way. We have the instructions. Now it does say easy to connect, and it remembers as well. So hopefully it is easy to connect. Let's get that out of the way. So on the back we had the actual aerial. Actually, that might be the front. That is the front. So on the front we have the aerial plus a pairing light, so probably flash or something like that to show it's trying to power. The actual name and 2 screws. So if you want to take it apart you can. Nothing on the side, nothing on the bottom. There's a little footstep there. Don't know what that's for, but it's a little step. Could have just done it flat, but they didn't. And on the back we have again 2 screws for if you want to take it apart. We have the power, which is the cable I showed you just a minute ago. Optical, like I said, probably won't be using that. We have coax, and we have a right and a left connectivity, and Qualcomm aptX HD. It does say on the box Qualcomm aptX and DAC built in. Something you might be interested in, because it should give you very good audio. And that is it. That is the unboxing out of the way. So with that, I'm going to set her up so we can have a good listen to the actual quality. You might not hear what I hear, because it depends on the quality of your speakers and the quality of me sending you the information, if that makes sense. You know, the audio information, not the video. So it might not come out as good as what I can hear it, but I will give you my honest opinion how good it is and how easy it is to use. And we will go through a setup as well. I will show you how to set her up in case you've never done it before. Like I said, it says on the instructions, it's easy. We will be testing it out. So with that, let's get on with it, shall we? First things first, I've read the instructions, and yeah, they are very easy to follow and should be suitable for most people to understand how easy it is to connect your device. I am going to be connecting my phone to the wireless receiver or the wireless audio receiver. And also I did read, you might find this a little bit interesting, I did read you can connect more than one device to it, but not at the same time. But say for instance you've got two phones. You've got a phone and your partner's got a phone. You can connect your phone first and then turn off the Bluetooth and then connect another phone and job done. But you can only use one at a time. You can't use both phones at the same time for sending audio through this. Okay, you can only do it, you know, you either have your phone on or the partner's phone on. Does that make sense? Right. So with that, let's get on with it, shall we? I just wanted to point that out. So the other thing is I'm using my own cables because the cables that come with this are not quite long enough for what I need it to do. So I'm using my own, okay? And I haven't plugged into my speakers. I'm not sure if I've got them around the right way, but I'm pretty sure I have. And it needs power. So we have the power lead that came with it. And all you need to do is plug this in and make sure we put it around the right way. Like so. Oh, is that around the right? Oh, it's upside down, sorry. There you go. You should get a flashing blue light for pairing, like it is. Yeah. Turn on your Bluetooth. I'm going to be using my phone, like I said earlier, and there it is. Comes up straight away. It's a BLT-HD. Click on that. Pairing. It should just pair. Allow access. Need to allow it access, otherwise it's not going to work. And are we done? We are done. That is it. That is so easy. Get that out of the way. Now then, it should play some audio, and we're going to be testing it out right now. So I have some downloaded audio. I will try some other audio, but these are the ones I normally test everything on. So I don't need, oh actually, before we do that, it would help if I plugged this lead into my speakers or my sound system. Give me a second.
Meanwhile.
I can adjust it on my volume control with ease. Wow, quality of audio is really good. Crystal clear, nice clarity, absolutely spot on. I wasn't expecting that, to be honest with you, because these three tunes come from YouTube. Yeah, they're copyright free from YouTube, and I thought it's not going to be that good. It's never been that good. It's been okay when I do my earbuds testing, but never, well, it's just more vibrant. That's the word, vibrant. It's very vibrant. Absolutely love it. They're coming through my Logitech speakers, and I have a volume control here. Obviously I have volume control actually on my phone as well, and yeah, it just works perfectly. Well, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go into another room and see how far away I can go. So this is my studio room. Next I have a kitchen, then a hallway, and then I have my living room. I'm going to go into my living room and see if I can still get audio playing from this when I'm in there. Let's give her a little test, shall we? I'll turn the volume down a little bit though. Go back to the first one. This one. Let's give her a test. Right, so I went from living room to bedroom to bedroom to garden, and yes, we did lose the signal, and yes, when I'm walking about to go to different rooms, it was breaking up. But you have to bear in mind, this is Bluetooth, not Wi-Fi. Bluetooth doesn't have that greater distance. That is why you need something like this. Yeah, very impressive. Although it did break up and I did lose signal going from room to room a little bit, and I definitely lost signal going all the way down to my garden. It does say it can do up to 100 feet, but that depends on where you put this, what sort of environment is in, and there's a lot of electronics in this room, so they would have had interference causing that. In fact, if you have other Bluetooth devices like my computer does, or both my computers, they have built-in Bluetooth on the motherboards. I didn't turn them off, so they might have caused interference as well. So you have to bear that in mind. But definitely gets my thumbs up for the fact that you can go into another room. Again, like I said, it's Bluetooth, it's not Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. So you can go into another room and it will still play. You can go upstairs. Yes, it will still play, and maybe it might break up when you're moving about from room to room because, you know, it's got to go through walls and things like that. And it definitely broke up going down to my garden. It's about 85 foot, like I said earlier. The technology in this is, in my opinion, well worth the money. Definitely gets my thumbs up. I'm very impressed with the quality of audio that this reproduces, you know, through Bluetooth. As you could hear, nice clear clarity, perfect. So with that, let me know in the comments what you think. Whether you think, you know, yes, this is a good device, no, it's not a good device. Let me know in the comments what you think. So with that, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.